back to my channel, and now you are watching a 2-star hotel. In this hotel, 6 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy. To see more than 100 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Check-in time in this hotel is 12 p.m. and check-out time of this hotel is 12 p.m. If you have checked out from this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. For get more details about this hotel, please check description. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you.